but one of the things that I learned a long time ago is, especially in working in this position, is we all come here with issues that are relevant to our campus. And there are overlap between the issues, and we can see a lot of our problems and your problems, but not necessarily exactly the same. And when we started BSILI, we realized that the best way to help push people forward is to give them an opportunity to learn the skills in a real environment that's going to be helpful and beneficial to their campus, but more importantly, it's going to give them the skills they need to push their own project forward. If that doesn't make sense, let me explain it a little bit of a different way. Each of you yesterday identified which of the 3 communities of practice you've heard about could help you in your shared problem. For some of you it was a reach, I know it was a reach. For some of you it just fit very naturally. You knew exactly, one group was like acceleration, that's it, acceleration, we're going there. So you had these ideas of where you were going and what you were doing. Acceleration may be a piece to help you, but you need more. You need to learn some of the skills that are going to help you to develop and plan and answer those questions by refining those questions, by working with people oftentimes outside of your campus. The 3 communities of practice that are chosen, if you've followed 3CSN for a long period of time, you've seen momentum point 1, 2, and 3, acceleration, persistence, acceleration, and completion. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. And so in each of those, we have found proven practices that help students persist, accelerate, or complete. And they are acceleration, reading apprenticeship, and habits of mind. What we're trying to help you to do is to learn how do you infuse proven practices in your campus, learn the leadership skills you need to transform your college, the overall big picture. So we're going to go on a journey together, and we're going to divide, and we're going to go into communities of practice, and you are either going to right now decide for the next year, do you want to work with, really? And your hearts are like this, some of you. Reading apprenticeship, acceleration, or habits of mind.
Or you're going to decide how you're going to divide up your team to do that.
Exactly. Or you are going to look at your team and say, you go to habits of mind and you go to reading apprenticeship or whatever formula you figured out, so that you can get the tools there that you need to go back to your campus to help solve your problem, the shared problem. And I don't know, I put solve in quotes usually because you can never solve a problem because you get one step and then you get 50 million directions with 8,000 questions in each direction. And so you're always trying to look at it, but you can work towards improving persistence, acceleration, or completion.